Bruh.
Okay. Taking my makeup.
Hey guys, Manitorex here. Today we're going to be doing a challenge like I said in the other video. We're going to be doing Chubby Bunny. So, I have Nick here. And yeah, let's get straight into it.
No.
So guys, Nick's probably going to win here because he has the biggest mouth here. He talks too much. So yeah. Guess first.
I don't know. So I'll say Chubby Bunny every time, right?
Yeah. And you can't chew.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby
You
Bunny.
put 2 in?
Oh.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Sorry for the camera, guys. That's free.
Dude. I'm trying to move with my tongue. Chubby Bunny.
Okay, Donald. Chubby Bunny.
Oh.
Looks like Nick can't talk anymore, so if I get this, I win.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Nasty.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Boom.
Sorry for the grossness there, guys. Well, it looked like a tie here, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who wins. Okay?
I'm gonna lose.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, actually, rock, paper, scissors. That's not three to make
Okay,
it.
that's it. Okay, here.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I
Well, guys, I won the challenge. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my other channel, Botched Outdoors. Please like, subscribe, and peace out.